Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the emote is available in this update. Check the Event tab now. Once done, make sure your ink account is level 10 or higher so the purchase option unlocks. Next, gather the required currency, 500 coins or 50 gems depending on the sale variant. While you prepare currency, open your inventory and clear one slot for the emote. This speeds the acquisition and avoids transaction errors when the emote appears in the shop. Once your account and funds are ready, sync with the event timer so you don't miss the limited drop. Complete 3 daily missions that often award bonus coins or emote fragments. These stack quickly when done consecutively. If available, watch a sponsored ad to earn a discount voucher or small bundle. This reduces the cost and guarantees you hit price thresholds. While buying, double-check the emote variant, animated versus static, so you purchase the version you want. Complete the process by purchasing or redeeming the emote immediately when it appears, then confirm it shows in your emote slot. If it was a reward, check the event mailbox and claim within 48 hours to avoid expiry. If the emote doesn't display, restart the client and clear cache to force asset refresh. This fixes most synchronization glitches. If problems persist, take a screenshot of purchase proof and contact support with the order ID for a swift resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.